today's video, I'm going to teach you what are advanced automation rules in Close.com. Advanced automation rules in Close CRM are built using workflows. This is where you define a trigger, set conditions, choose actions, add delays if needed, and use goals to control when the automation should stop. The main benefit is that workflows help eliminate repetitive manual tasks like assigning leads, sending follow-ups, updating records, creating tasks, or prompting calls automatically. To begin, log into your Close account. In this example, we're going to create an advanced workflow so that when an opportunity is created by you, Close will automatically create a call step for the lead and also create a task related to the new project. This is a practical way to make sure important follow-up activity happens consistently without relying on memory. Once you're inside the account, go to the Workflows area and click New Workflow. Then choose Start from Scratch. This option gives you full control over how the workflow is built, which is ideal when you want a custom automation instead of using a template. Next, choose Opportunity Event as the trigger. This means the workflow will begin whenever a specific opportunity-related activity happens. In this case, we'll narrow it down by selecting Created By, and then choosing your own profile. This feature makes the automation more precise, because it ensures the workflow only runs for opportunities that you created yourself, rather than every opportunity created by anyone on the team. After that, click Done. Now click Add Step and select Call. This action adds a call-related workflow step so the lead can be contacted as soon as the opportunity is created. It helps reduce delay in outreach and keeps momentum strong while the opportunity is still fresh. Click Done to save that step. Then add another step and select Task. In the Task Description field, type Set a meeting with the team to discuss the subject matter of the project. This task feature is useful because it automatically creates an internal reminder tied to the workflow, helping your team stay aligned on next actions. After that, delete the delay. Removing the delay means the task is created right away instead of waiting, which can be helpful when the follow-up needs immediate attention. Then set the task to Required and mark it as high priority. This makes the task harder to overlook and signals that it should be handled promptly. Click Done. Finally, rename your workflow so it's easy to identify later, then click Save. After saving, click Activate, and then confirm to make the workflow live. As a best practice, start with one simple workflow and expand gradually, use clear trigger conditions, test with sample leads before activating, and review workflow runs regularly to catch issues early. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.